Rise of Margadi.
Kalaye sundarakaram Sadaika priyadarshanam Ajnananashakam devam Sadgurum Muralidharam Sadgurum Muralidharam Murali Mandita Karakamalam Munijana Mohanam Vyatyasta Padam Vanamala Dharinam Prema Bhakta Mandala Nitya Kirtitam Shri Premika Varadam Ashrayeham
Mesmerized upon hearing Krishna's flute, Shiva is consumed by a burning desire to obtain the Yugala Darshan of Sri Krishna and Radha. After a dip in the holy Manasarovar, he assumes the form of a lingam as Gopeshwara and performs severe penance in the forests of Brindavan to fulfill this longing. Radha embarks upon the lingam during her stroll in Brindavan with her friends and pays obeisance to this Gopeshwara Shiva. Lord Krishna, known for his mischievous ways, quietly tiptoes to Radha and embraces her during her prayer. At that very moment, Shiva, ecstatic on having the vision of their Yugala Leela, laughs and breaks into a passionate and mad dance. Krishna and Radha together, in turn, sing, dance, and worship the venerated Lord Shiva. This divine scene is welcomed and celebrated by the Devas with a shower of flowers. A beautiful Madhura Geetam, Gacchati Radha, composed by His Holiness Maharanyam Sri Sri Muralidhara Swamiji in Ragamalika, Aditalam. Orchestral support by Sri Ramshankar Babu on the Mridangam, Sri Ishwar Ramakrishnan on the violin, Sri Shruti Sagar on the flute, Natuvangam by myself Medha Hari. The add-on music and swarams have been composed by vocalist Sri Murali Parthasarathi, who has also lent the vocal support, and the jatis have been composed by Srimati Uma Ranganathan. My pranams and heartfelt gratitude to my Guru, Srimati Anita Guha, for guiding and mentoring me through the formulation and the choreography of this piece. Gacchati Radha. kum ta kita tam tam gum ta kita tam tam gum ta kita tei rei gum ta kita tam tam gum ta kita tam 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 gum ta kita tei rei gum ta kita kida ta dai kida gum ta kita tam gum ta kita tei gum ta kita gum da ri ta tam gum da ri ta tei gum da ri kum da ri kida ta dai kida gum da ri ta tam gum da ri ta tei gum da ri kum da ri kida ta dai kida gum ta ri tang ta ding na tum ta ding na tum ta ding na kum ta ri tang kum ta ri tang ta ding na tum ta ding na tum ta ding na tum gum ta ri tang kum ta ri tang kum ta tang ta ding na tum ta ding na tum ta ding na tum ta
नवल किशोरी अति छमी धामा द्युति लघु कोटि प्रतिकामा गौरांगी शशि निंदक वंदना शुभग छपरा अनियार नयना सानी पामरे सनी पनी रे सा सानी पामरे सनी पनी सनी सनी बाबा नी सानी पामरे सनी पनी रे सा मरी पा सानी बाबा सानी पामरे सनी पनी रे सा सनी सानी मरी बाबा बाबा नी पा रे बाबा मा सरी मरी नी सरी सा बाबा नी पा रे बाबा मा सरी मरी नी सरी सा बाबा नी पा रे बाबा मा पा मा सरी मरी मरी नी सरी सा रे सरी बाबा नी पा रे बाबा मा पा मा सरी मरी मरी नी सरी सा रे सरी बाबा नी पा रे बाबा नी पा मा सरी बा सा मरी नी सरी नी रे सा बाबा नी पा रे बाबा नी पा मा सरी बा सा मरी नी सरी नी रे सा रे रे सरी 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 बाबा रे मरी सरी मा पा मा नी पा मा बाबा रे मा सरी रे सरी रे सरी 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 बाबा रे मरी सरी पा बाबा नी मा नी बाबा रे मा सा रे मा री मा री पा गच्छति राधा वृन्दारण्यम् 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 सहज सखी जन परिवारेण सहज सखी जन परिवारेण गच्छति राधा वृन्दारण्यम् भानुगोपज रसमन सुन्दरी भानुगोपज रसमन सुन्दरी कलकल त्वरित कलहंस गामिनी कलकल त्वरित कलहंस गामिनी गच्छति राधा युगल लीला दर्शन प्राप्तये युगल लीला दर्शन प्राप्तये मंगल कैलासं त्यक्त्वा शिवने मंगल कैलासं त्यक्त्वा शिवने वसतं तत्र लीनो श्यामसुन्दरो लीनो श्यामसुन्दरो मन्दं मन्दं राधासमीपमिति मन्दं मन्दं राधासमीपमिति सुप्रसिद्धः स्वभावकृष्णः सुप्रसिद्धः स्वभावकृष्णः पाणिं गृहीत्वा तां श्लेषति पाणिं गृहीत्वा तां श्लेषति गच्छति राधा आविर्भवति तदा चन्द्रशेखरो आविर्भवति तदा चन्द्रशेखरो युगललीला दशरथनन्दितः युगललीला दशरथनन्दितः युगललीला दशरथनन्दितः हसति क्वचित् उन्मत्तो भवति हजितकामः हसति नृत्यति उन्मत्तो हसति क्वचित् नृत्यति क्वचित् उन्मत्तो भवति हजितकामः गच्छति राधा वृन्दारण्यम् मुरलीधर सहित राधा ध्यायति गायति नृत्यति पूजयति च हरं विधिनुतातिशय वैभवं दृष्ट्वा वर्षति कुसुमं देवगणाः सगरि मगा सागरि मा हरि मा गरि मा पा नि सा गरि सा नि परि सा नि प म नि प म गरि
ता तत्रिच्छं तदच्छं ता तत्रिच्छं ता रच्छं ता तत्रिच्छं ता रादच्छं तत्थिङ्गिण्णत्तुं तकथिङ्गिण्णत्तुं किडतकथिङ्गिण्णत्तुं
परि च गरि च जला गरि मा pani sa ni sa ni ga ga ni pa ma 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 ni pa ma ga ni sa.
ಜುಣುತಗದರಿಗಿಡತಗತಾಂ 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 ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತುಂ ತಜ್ಜುಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತುಂ ತಜ್ಜುಂ ತಜ್ಜುಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತುಂ ತಜ್ಜುಂ ತಜ್ಜುಂ ತಜ್ಜುಂ
Ga ri ma ga ri sa ma ga ri ma pa ni pa ma ga ri ma pa ni ga ni sa ni ga ni sa ga ri ma ga ri ma ga ri ni pa ma ga ri ma pa ni sa ga pa ta sa ni pa ti pa ni pa ma ga ri ni pa ga ri ni ga ni pa ni pa ma ga ri sa pa sa ni pa ma ni pa ma ga pa ma ga ri sa sa ga ri ma pa ni ga ri sa ni pa ni ga ri sa ni pa ma ga ri ma pa ni sa ga.
Kolam, the art of connecting the dots. The human heart beats because it needs to carry this molecule called hemoglobin. At the heart of this hemoglobin is iron, which never existed before. The universe started with no iron at all until one time when giant superstars called supernovas came together, collided, and repeated the cyclic pattern that iron was created, and this is now running through our veins. Therefore, we are all connected by some unknown stars joining together. Isn't this wonderful to imagine? Like some unknown matter so many millions of years ago did something that our hearts beat today. But what must it be like to be those givers? Like those stars which came together for a cause? Well, we, the Spirit of Margari team, has already visualized this in Chalala. Under the aegis of His Holiness Maharanyam Shri Shri Muralidhara Swamiji, there is a home named Shri Premika Varadan Clinic in Maharanyam village near Chennai, which offers holistic quality health care, physically, mentally and emotionally, for the needy in parts of remote southern India spanning across 15 to 20 villages. With more hearts in need of visiting the clinic, the Spirit of Margari team presents before you a humble opportunity to come together like those supernova clusters and donate for Shri Premika Varadan Clinic. Click on the link below and you will be taken to WICA Wisconsin Classical Arts, who will channelize your wealth to reach those hearts situated millions of kilometers away, allowing them one more chance to not give up on their lives. In this Margari Tingal, please donate to WICA Wisconsin Classical Arts and let us learn to connect the dots of the divine.
Hare Krishna Hare